Right, guys, so we're back with another video. This YouTube video might not fully load, but this is Logan Paul's new video he made about on the New Year. He made a video in Suicide Forest in Japan. I've not watched it because it was taken down. And he made a sorry video saying that he messed up and stuff. So this is a video, this is a new video because I just thought he wasn't going to upload it anymore. But here we go. About 8,000 people. Wait, let me pause this. About 800,000 people worldwide die every year. One person every 40 seconds takes their own life. So every 40 seconds, one person suicides. And 800,000 people suicide every year. That's big.
40 minutes.
So this is a guy talking about him suiciding. Here's it. I've seen this video already. Right, so he's standing on a ledge, tears flowing down. So he's thinking that no one cares about him. So a voice in his head said for him to jump. And he jumped.
My legs flew over it.
So once he jumped, it was a regret. Here's Logan. All he wants to do is live. So it's 90 when he jumped. And he survived. And this is Logan. You do. Here's all the news. So if he thinks he's rubbish. Okay, so he's saying that even he thinks that his recent content was the biggest mistake. Right, can pause it. Right, so far we've met this guy that jumped and he survived. So Logan's been lucky to meet him and talks to him. And then there's this guy which is trying to help Logan out, and Logan's trying to understand more about it so far. And then they've put a bit of a news what's been happening on the news with him and stuff. And yeah, so here's this guy talking to him. Wait a sec, I need to just put subtitles on so everyone can see, because I'm not sure it records sound. Right, guys, just paused. So here's subtitles. Okay. Yeah. So he's trying to help out. Wow. So he's talking to this guy, which is director of National Suicide Prevention.
First thing that you could do is reach out and talk to somebody.
So in this, what I think's happening is Logan's trying to help out since he did something bad. He's trying to help out and not become the bad guy anymore. I hope he starts making videos
Alone with it anymore. They've done studies.
Okay. Right, this bit's just a bit boring. It's saying him to call someone, check up on them and stuff. Okay. Okay. I was back talking to this guy. Right, so he's asking who they like live. People, that's just like curious. Kevin Hines. So he's like 36, I think. No. I think that's Kevin, the smaller one. Oh. Right. So as you saw, like, I think it was here. Yeah, be here tomorrow. I think that's like why the video is called "Be Here Tomorrow." So I don't know. Right, it's just stopped again, but we can watch.
And those are, unfortunately, those are stories.
So that's him in the news. Instant regrets. That's like.
It's all ripped from you.
Oh, wait, what's this? Right.
By me. What's one thing you would have said to your younger self? To the Kevin who is 19, sitting on the bus. If you were next to you, instead of the guy who pointed and laughed, what would you say? I would just put my hand on the I would just put my hand on my shoulder and I would just say, I'm here for you. I got you. We need to be a society that comes together for every person in the community that's going through hell. And in order to do that, every person that's going through hell, whatever hell, has to be honest about their pain.
Okay.
And if they're going to be honest about their pain, we are going to collectively answer the call and be there for that individual. Because if you don't see beauty in the next person you meet, you're not looking hard enough.
Okay. I've seen this video like twice already, so.
This is it's an honor for me too, but.
Right, so the video's loaded. That's great.
From this point on, I want to make an effort to contribute and immerse myself in the conversation. So I'm pledging to donate $1 million to various.
Right, so Logan's just donated $1 million to suicide prevention.
Suicide prevention organizations, with the first $250,000 going immediately to the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline, so they can increase their capacity to help those in need. For anyone watching, I want you to know you are not alone, and most of the time, crisis passes. So if you or anyone you know feels alone or trapped, I encourage anyone to call or even text the suicide or crisis hotline. Both of those numbers are below, and although this is a tough conversation, it's important because things can and will get better. It's time to start a new chapter in my life as I continue to educate both myself and others on suicide. I'm humbled and thankful to say, this is just the beginning.
Right, so that's suicide prevention number. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh no, what's this? Okay, shop. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.